Newcastle Castle have replaced their ordinary tickets with annual passes. Apparently what that means is that if you buy a ticket from now on, you can come back for a whole year afterwards for no extra money.
We don't take routes.
Oh. Shillings?
I'll see what the till says.
Annual tickets are brilliant because you can come back and explore the castle as much as you like and see all your favourite bits. Families can come and enjoy a day out in the holidays or at the weekend without having to pay loads of times. And you can sign up to the annual ticket holders newsletter where you can get all kinds of discounts on events at the castle, like film nights, whatever they are. Also, you can gift aid your annual ticket at no extra cost to you if you're a UK taxpayer. And that means that the castle can get a few extra pennies back from the taxman, which is great. Even a peasant like me loves that sort of thing.
Oi! Oh, peasant! I've told you before, stop bothering the visitors! Get out of here!
Oh, peasants. The annual pass applies to all tickets, both individual and family tickets. Once you've bought your ticket, it'll get stamped, but do remember to bring your ID, otherwise you're going to have to deal with me. All your tickets last for 365 days after you've bought them. See you soon. If you want to find out more, visit our website, newcastlecastle.co.uk.
Or send an email to the address on the screen below, or have a look on our social media channels. See you soon!